Mana tu tangaloa? Haki kia pai lagi lunga.
Whakalo whatu. Today we're going to Eden, no, Flora's 21st. Whakalo whatu. Malo. Whakalo whatu. Malo. Whakaue. Now, Grass, Liam, Hannah. Oh, someone's already started. Kia monuene aho whanau. Flora, pass the camera around. Sandy, whai kupu.
Oh, whakalawhatu everyone. We're here to celebrate Flora's 21st birthday today. So, happy 21st birthday, Flora. Monuene aho whanau hao. Mwah.
Happy 21st, Flora. Hey, Flora. Happy 21st birthday, Juliana.
Say hello.
Hi.
Christopher. Shy. Happy 21st birthday.
Jordan.
Oh, happy birthday, Flora. Have a good time. Peace. Come, Dave. Happy 21st birthday, Flora.
Yep.
Thank you for the invite. Looking forward to the party.
Yeah.
Looks awesome in there.
Yeah.
Whanau.
Whakalawhalahi atu kia matuluosi, whakalawhalahi atu kia whai mā Flora. Marina e hawa a whanau me tau taulonga ki whaki atu he atua kia whai. God bless you always, Flora. And also look after your grandfather Kapisi. Okay? Marina e aho.
Koe. Whai kupu. Whai kupu.
Ai whai kupu. Whakawelai nā whako mai kia whanai. Nā wa mo e taki. Nōre ko mata ki whawara ko tū. Whakawelai.
Haia. Whakaue.
Happy birthday, Flora. I hope you have a wonderful day. Muni aho.
Whakaalofa atu makau. Wearing a bit of a traditional outfit today. This is the Kahoa Niue necklace and Foufou. Foufou is like a flower headband. It's good because it hides my hairline and it makes me look much better. It's not just for girls, guys can wear it too. Then I've got the island shirt.
Haki kia pai lagi lunga. Ipu kia pua alo whanua. Angi mai e matangi. Tungi e mawhola. Kei tu, kei tu, kei tu ea. Amanaki. Amanaki.
Ke kau whakalataha hangau e ke tama whakahele hata tolu ko Flora.
Marina e ang hanau lupu matahau, Flora tugia taue. Flora. Watau pahe ahora, Marina lima ue ape mai taha. Flora from
when you're a baby, so tiny, fit in the palm of your hand, to your baby years where you're joined at my hip. It made me feel so guilty for wanting to go out anyway. Then you got her primary school days where she didn't trust you, she didn't talk to you, that's just how she was. Then she had her intermediate years where, again, she didn't trust you, she ain't gonna talk to you. Then you had a college year where we lost the most important person to us, our mother. So now, you know, Flora, Mom would be super proud of me, really super proud of me. I'd like to thank everyone for coming.
Thank you for coming. I love you, Flora.
First off, thank you everyone for coming. People that touch us in life, it means a lot. The people that brought forward our upbringing, thank yous.
To our cousin, Flora. Flora, 2021 is something that obviously only comes around once in a lifetime. I know 21 once, but I know that a lot of your older uncles, aunties, and that we all want to be 21, just like me. And this is a fantastic 21st birthday that we have here. I remember my 21st birthday, and all I remember is the rubbish bin filled with ice and beers, and that was it. No friends, but then I guess your uncles and aunties are your friends, so it is what it is. I'd like us all to raise our glasses, and it is my privilege to say, on behalf of every family and us all here today, congratulations, Flora, you are now 21 years old. Here!
My name is Faithful. Those of you that know me, me and Flora, basically, I grew up around Flora and always going to her house. And you know the memories we shared. And I have a lot of love for you and your family. I'm really grateful, and I know that my biological dad had a lot of love for you guys. Thank you for always, thank you for looking after me from when I was a little kid. Eden and that used to babysit me as well. And so I'll always be there for you, and I miss my auntie a lot. And I know if her and my dad was still here, you know, we could be but God bless you, Flora. I love you so
Here's the dessert maker.
Okay, well, hope you like it. It's what the girl ordered: trifle, banofee pies, and chocolate bavarians.
Nice.
And ice cream.
Bye, cooking for Flora.
Happy birthday, Flora! Happy 21st. We love you, like everyone said. God bless, and yeah. Good to see you later.
Here with the Fiji.
Oi, Tulaa. Happy birthday, Flora.
Happy birthday. Hey, man, you've been training. Oh, yeah.
How's the food? Yeah? Oh, no.
Why are you doing like that?
I'm the new videographer. Yeah. What's the name? Vita food.
Happy birthday, Flora. You're 21 years old today, and we're all here celebrating your birthday because we love you. We just wish that your mom was here with us today, but we know she's here in spirit, and she'll always be looking down on you. Flora, and for us, the family, if you need anything, just let us know. Jelly Bean, you know that's going to be your name until the end of the days. We love you so much, Flora. Happy birthday. Keep achieving everything you want to achieve. Keep smashing all your goals. Keep being an awesome, kind, loving person that you are. Love you, Flora. God bless.
Hey, relax. just relax. But yeah. Oh, hey, this is Flora's gonna see the sea.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, happy 21st, Flora. Man, it was an awesome day today. Awesome party. I like these small parties. I like small parties like this. One, you save money. Two, you get to talk to people a lot more. Whereas big parties, people just float. You don't know who the hell's here. So yeah, awesome, man. I really like your style. These purple shirts, not my favorite color. I think it's the Queen's color, but yeah, nah, awesome, fantastic, man. And yeah, happy 21st. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and yep, like we said today, if you need anything, you let us know. We're just up the road, and here's to another 21 years.
Oh no.
Thank you for coming to everyone, and I'm really grateful for you guys coming. I love you guys, so thank you.
Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop.
So why is it got to be so damn? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.